गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Hello friends, today we have the numerical as locate the centroid of eye section. So how to locate the centroid of eye section? What is our first step? Just bifurcate the given figure into number of simple geometrical figures. We'll just bifurcate the given eye section as first part, okay, then the second rectangle, and the middle one is the third rectangle, okay. The second step, is to fix the given figure into first quadrant, okay. So for fixation of this given figure into first quadrant, just mark leftmost part as y-axis and bottommost part as x-axis. Then the given figure will be in first quadrant, alright. Then we will have the formula to locate the centroid. Yes, x bar is equal to a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a3x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Then can you please tell me the formula to locate y bar? Yes, y bar is equal to a1y1 plus a2y2 plus a3y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3, okay. So first of all we will calculate the x bar. First of all, we will calculate the area of first figure A1. What are the dimensions? The dimensions are 100 by 20. So A1 is equal to 100 divided by 20. It becomes mm square, is it? Then calculate the area of second figure. A2 is equal to 150 by 30. It becomes 4500 mm square. Then area of third figure, the dimension of the third rectangle is 100 by 120. So 100 into 20. The value becomes 2000 mm square. Then we have to locate the individual centroids, or otherwise we will calculate directly by x bar. So a1 into x1. So what is x1? It is the centroidal distance of first figure from y-axis. And what is y1? It is centroidal distance of the first figure from concerned x-axis. So obviously by observation, the x bar component of all the figures is obviously half of 150, it is 75. But we will calculate by this formula, so that we will tally this. So x bar is equal to, therefore x bar is equal to 2000 into, we are concerned about x1. What is x1? Centroidal distance of this figure. Since the given figure is symmetrical along vertical plane, the x bar will obviously half of 150, that is 75. But so for first rectangle it becomes 75. Actually it is 50, half of 100, but we are concerned about this y-axis. That's why this value becomes half of 150, that is 75. Plus area of second figure we have calculated as 4500 into x2. So x2 will be obviously half of 150, since we have seen the centroids of various geometrical figures. For rectangle it is from the base, it is b by 2, and as per the depth it is d by 2. So it becomes half of 150. Half of 150 becomes 75. Plus area of third figure into x3. Area of third figure is into x3. We are concerned about CG of this third rectangle. Obviously it is half of 150. Actually it is half of 20, that is 10. but we want with reference to this y-axis. That's why it becomes half of 150, that is 75. Divided by, yes, 2000 plus 4500 plus 2000. Just calculate on your own calci and tell me value of x bar. It becomes 75. Yes, that means whatever you have calculated value is correct one. Alright. Then we'll move for calculation of y bar. What is the formula? Since there are three components, the formula becomes a1y1 plus a2y2 plus a3y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Now, similarly we have to locate y bar. The formula to locate y bar is a1y1 plus a2y2 plus a3y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. So, just put the values. a1 is 2000 into, we are concerned about y1. So, y1 is the centroid of this particular topmost rectangle. So, it is located at half of 20, is it? It is located from here, it is 10 mm, but we are concerned about x-axis. We have to locate it with reference to x-axis. That's why this distance become 30 plus 100 plus 10. So, this calculation becomes, is it 140? So, this value becomes 140. You got it? Then plus A2. What is A2? 4500 into Y2. Now, Y2, yes, is it not the center of this rectangle? It is located at 15 mm. So, with reference to x-axis we have to locate it. That's why it directly it becomes 15. Alright. So, this value becomes 15. Then we are concerned about A3 plus Y3 plus, what is A3? 2000 into Y3. Y3 is the centroidal distance of this third rectangle. Obviously, it is located here. It is half of 100, but the reference axis is at the x-axis. We have to measure with reference to this x-axis. So, this distance becomes 30 plus half of 100. So, it becomes 50 plus 30. It is 80. You got the difference? Divided by, yes, A1 plus A2 plus A3. 2000 plus 4500 plus 2000. Just calculate on your own calci and tell me the value of y bar. 59, yes, 0.70 mm. The values are in mm. Suppose the given dimensions are not given into the examination. Just consider one sentence, all the dimensions are in mm and just solve it. So, x bar, just we have calculated x bar as 75 mm and y bar as 59.70. Lastly, again you have to draw one y-axis and you have to locate the x bar and y bar. So, just I will use the color pen. So, is it not the center? So, it becomes 75, 59.7 mm. So, as such we have located the centroid of I section. You got it? Thank you.